Suma Obibia Akwaba Haye Coastal TV channel no 514 your Facebook and your so live and colored on YouTube. It's more than say over journey pages near channels no na ano paying command I did na so no bako kra ento from abra wonte it's more than say obe follow oh comment bi anso a obetimi eja e comment section na say ye be kan na nwere ho a ye de be ma wo say nwere ni won so ye be kan e de ama wo nti sa na etie anu ayo lanche Central Expo okobi me de mekobi na mekwohwe ne e course mekwohwe nkoma ahodo a e course kasa ahodo a e course mekotie bi na mehu ni say me ma fo me de mehu ni say e be boaye enye Central region kwa de ho Ghana obi a obetimi de ne ho agim bia na ebenya mfaso e wo so mpeyifo ese botaya etache se omode ba beboa Central region edwadifo nyina and small businesses middle advanced businesses akese fo ni nyina moka ho ebeboa nyina nsi ye momode ase ene nkomo na yesa yedu so e ba bedi no obomore de na watnem na watie bi se na be ya ebe boa mene Mr. Tally ANSAH ASIEDU ono ena Publicity Committee Emma Central Expo at 5 no oye chairman esinena so so enyina pe ebehwe egu form ano aso esan so head of public affairs so we call CRCC obi wa de C no so RCC asem na making also odi juma as the head of public affairs ewo ho ono na mene no eba be twetwe nkomo anapei nti wo so wonta waso na wonti nkomo ni ye sanse ye no pay mu na nkasa na eba be di nkomo nti wo more information ode ebemaye Mr. ASIEDU Akwaba Coastal TV ahwefo nyina se omani agisa no pay waba be pie ase na yo ni atia ne se ndi ka introduce no chairman of Central Expo committee no
Publicity.
Publicity. Just I want to move on the good. I just said, no, back we never can share you. Okay.
Central Expo, Abebium, dear, Bobby.
Sir, more than 5 years. A very good and long feat, and I'm what me achieving this. I know. 5 years, no. How has it been?
It's been great. Medina. Akwenya iso achia me regional minister honorable le company ye papa awhwe region iso Central regional coordinating council penifo nyina any staff a omutai chia ejumedie we ye ba bedi the 5th time ye pese celebrating Brulibeka a grand star
sir
with you bia
also. Oh, okay. There's a annual expo na some town na moye launching.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Me who say Osaber man po be pio more. Oh, and afi mu nya gro kra.
Oh, yeah. Say expo you cry about be chance. You be chance 31st August.
Okay.
To the you can see from the screen. To the 6th of September. Na ni woman say your 5th anniversary standing looking back at time I share expo ase na ma me share say Central Expo angasa no opemu
okay
ema all other expo a wonim obi enim Ghana fo nyina be ka share mo ne obi onim say ESSIEN region expo Volta region expo Ashanti de ba so na say United Western North baby opemu na ngasa Central Expo enti o ma shase a body be can be babies you know opemu ye di 5 years enti you ba be celebrate your 5th anniversary. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, kasa about theme no kakra. Mo theme a mo de atu dwumade ni nyina so mo say celebrating 5 years of advancing trade, promoting tourism and unlocking opportunities. But from so na do so. But one of it me breaking it down am I dey na mo de esi moni so a mo di afi 5 years.
That's been about.
Okay.
senior theme no air cano. You see advancing trade.
Yeah.
You share expo na say 2022. And then countdown. Your 5th year more you celebrate here. Your Bible celebrate. And you know, looking at it now, we started looking at the SMEs, bringing them up.
Okay.
So we position them from the local level, even to the international level.
Yeah.
And only but I see you near my area. You see who say Central Expo. You be sure I'm at the tourism hub. Central Region Gasano. Fan into Mapa. Ifra. And you know Central Expo Nangasa na chassis. Say you be sure ejumedi ankofudi obua me say biton fugu. Okay. And I'm probably adverts. Oh, you can see say your president and so promote it on every Wednesday. And you know my later no. So we go na me ton mawa. And I said mean to me miska wo. Yeah. Nia I was me say me dan hoodi. A bigger platform.
Okay.
And you know the main purpose of the expo is to bring up the small, medium enterprises to a larger platform. Now, say tomato simple no auto at a large scale no.
Yeah.
Obenya suppliers obey supply tomatoes no too. So that the main tourism hub for Central Region Medina Mapa. Yeah. Yes, experience certain of kind of 2022. Former regional minister Marigold. Yeah. Number so. This time around, no, your current regional minister, because on Tinaho, and my expo no, and Gotinda, because one. Other what's it? That's what I'm about to know. Now, other factors are other regions. Enya home for so there. Yes, I say no say no. Say promote trade. Yeah. Promote other small and medium skills enterprises. Then where lies so other regions no. Yeah. Almost try some other part of the expo. If we are with any expo, we almost the trade fair. Okay. So looking at the expo, then kasa for the Central Region, main aim my so the designing this very roadmap. Small SMBs, is to look at them from a starting stage to a very larger or a finishing stage So from 2022 we are in 2026 and you know advancing this very trade a trend. Okay. Yeah, I remember this year no you be awarded some exhibitors. Oh, okay. Yes, share 2022 as 2024. The success stories. Okay. Yes, share 2022, 2023. International orders. Okay. And so they came through to share this success story 2024. And you know, and the anniversary, we've made strides. So what do? I didn't know say yeah. I was say you're looking at you're showing film no. Some of the advancing this very trade trends. Yeah. Promoting tourism them through a touristic view. Say no faswa through the expo no onya sika efiri mu no obeye obedani hoji.
Okay.
From the international level through this very 5th anniversary,
Okay.
by even bringing some of the investors to us. I know some of the investors are even going to come during the expo.
Okay.
Those who actually saw the need, say, Manu we nejumedi already through expo year, ton na jewo ono. Faswa obenye free no ana faswa obenye free through year no. Yebedi echiri idea. I do not call this very occasion. I call share how the goods and then the services, where they ordained.
Okay.
And this very expo as a platform, and where exhibitors snippet and the issue.
Okay, but buyers no so.
Buyers nanga so beba.
Okay.
And they are coming to make a large sales bots. By doing so, promoters exhibitors then other stories to tell again.
Yeah.
So advancing trade is to pick from the scratch to the top.
Yeah.
And then one.
Okay.
So if you will look at the second, promoting tourism.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier, Central Yangasano, we have a lot of diasporan scenes because of your story already, touristically. And so what do? The expo is going to look at a flash of tourism.
Okay.
Through Yejedi Aibabedi. And my main kai at for say, and I should force any expo ni pedi celebrating an infusion of expo celebration the 5th anniversary any Oguafashe.
Oh, okay. Oguafashe so
in August.
Okay.
August ending September. So very intentional. So that if you see that into bringing a lot of buyers to come and actually service promoters one products at the end of the day. And that has been the target in order to give us a higher leverage of promoting our products at the end of the day. So the success story itself from 2022 to 2026, we are hoping say 2027 a more better story could be told. So you can tell us that compared to other regions, Central Expo still stands tall.
Yeah, that's true.
Looking at our operation, tourism, advancing trade.
Okay.
At the end of the day, ya more Kenya, more Tom on your ma. Diasporans na bim. Even some with helps because Mati said some of the diasporans are even sponsoring the exhibitors.
Okay.
And say a booth obi ba beto no. Booth nankasa no enyo no nisika eno de ba beto.
Okay.
A sponsorship.
No.
So you see what the expo from the scratch etimi aye. Obi hana satan kura no shede ni sike bia obetimi dey at booth. This time around we have a host of them. But many a host of them are booths has been bought by their own sponsors. And some other sponsors seeing the need and the attraction of this promotion of tourism in the region and Kasano Adam ready to say about top booth among these very exhibitors. Not also the exhibitors. So I can say this very film Nankasano is very strategic. Strategic in the sense say a mind flashback of what we were able to start with. And as this year already 5th anniversary, success stories so I be a bit film about after this very 5th anniversary. So that because next year we can tell a more better story than this. So that is the main purpose of the some part of the theme. Very intentional. I to be put it together. So the baby as a central expo for the central region. I mean this very region. We started this very expo first, no.
Yeah.
I continue as the tallest ever organized trade fair.
Yeah.
Compared to other regions. Yes.
Okay, but it was a central expo is not something that you're just doing it for the person, but it's the opportunities be brilliant, so a lot of businesses. Oh, a central regional traders in Kwani, and our people can come from other parts of Ghana to come and purchase a booth.
Oh, Central Expo, no, it's an open platform.
Okay.
That's something I make earlier, no. Wow, see, I saw the name or Marcy. You top booth. I'm more for free by this very organized. What do you call it? Sponsors. As a result of the success story of the previous Expo celebrations, you were part of our media partners.
Yeah.
Over the years.
Yes.
You could tell your publicity alone went as far as letting a sponsor being enticed with Nyoma and the result by even buying booth for some or sponsoring some of the exhibitors.
Okay.
Booth for free. And a very special selected exhibitors are.
Okay.
See form after the expo. Expanding through the what's that? Trade Nankasano celebration Nankasano and at the turning kwao.
Okay.
It's like a classroom. A technical classroom.
Okay.
You come there, you exhibit your products, and then you learn from trading how a product no it's if echo.
Okay.
And so back no the technicalities only free and experience only free expo no and a man could be the tentacles. The man is no obi responsible or the baby stressing ya was they said they should be assistant through this very expo free.
Yeah.
Sorry, one day. Oh, I'll sponsor you. Is it going to come off again? Okay, then a booth needs this amount. And you know, okay, let me throw in some money for your booth. I'll be there.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So this very success story, I will about tell you for this 5th anniversary.
Okay.
You can see, sir, looking at the expansion of it, making it very known, and then attracting sponsors to even come and promote it. One success story I bet me I tell you after this very celebration.
Okay. As lunch national na regional minister kase we know now go for kasanka omonya no in various places. Sanka na ye no Cape Coast last year ye no Cape Coast na kebia this year ye dey call baby to say efutu mamenka na for example. Say na be anko ban say it's only in Cape Coast
yeah.
But na minister eno sanko for na nyadwen but no encourage other district assemblies and so bet me ayo body. Don't you think that can be the call other places and can also be
me know adwen na met we can see on this platform and they say we are celebrating an anniversary.
Okay.
Let's also celebrate your birthday.
Oh yeah.
So you have it specially.
Okay.
And you know looking at other districts celebration, no. what that table so that ye be.
Okay.
Certain regional minister can or encourage it, because I remember just recently one of the honorable members of parliament, A plus, a business forum.
That's true.
Gumwa, right? And you know, that was a pace set. Other MMDCs, I mean the MMDs, let me. ESSIEN every only did, and the case the very EXPO nankasa Central EXPO no.
Okay.
And you know, maybe in the near future we'll look at it from that perspective. But the let me say the main organizer or the headquarters of the main EXPO in the region. No?
Okay.
I will be ready to coordinate or more affairs. So I'm the initiative to say Gumwa per se or more organize Gumwa Expo or a Futu Expo or any of the regions expos are.
Okay.
We are there. We are as a council and as a large front expo leaders. No, we are there to promote them as well.
Okay.
And you know, it's not all about just doing it in the regions, sorry, in the districts or the metropolis per se, but strategic. But we are celebrating a birthday.
Oh yes.
We are only concentrating on the birthday, and then after which we look at spreading our tentacles into the regions by coordinating and supporting them to come out with some form of a level of a strategies. They are celebrating more expo within the regions, but we were there to support them.
Okay. Okay.
A plus has done it, and I believe that other districts will be planning to do same. Okay. It's just the same thing.
Yeah.
Just that we will be coordinating, we'll be supporting them in the spirits of what, having been the lead expo organizers you organize since 2022 till now.
Yeah. Now, maybe expo. Yeah, are we focusing on only the goods aspect? What about skills and service exhibition? And also one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Once we share theme nankasa, what you say theme no stands on the platform of looking at, like I said earlier, it's not only trade exhibition. It's a form of a classroom exercise.
Okay.
Obi see the film. Na say ofi classroom ho the grounds are ultimately exhibit something learned from the classroom.
Okay.
And you know, it's an exhibition. It's like a technical skills where we support you with the necessary instruments, whatever support. No. Umodimbo so better. So free classroom onto the main field of what life or experience.
Okay.
And you know, the expo itself doesn't look at only come and give me CDs and let me give you a product. No.
Okay.
And you know, alongside Crampo, you celebrate. You will organize a business forum as well, which will equally look at the inputs of how SMEs are to be guided again, and to make strides in their sales and services at large, internationally. I feel so. We have cultural and entertainment shows add on to sales. You see, you can go to a shop where seller no etifako. Why too serious?
Yeah.
Also, we buy now about it also. Why is serious?
Yeah.
You just give money. You know, he knows the price. He gives you the product.
Yeah.
Amount it will change. We call baby. Then the whole environment looks like Sebi. like a mortuary or a cemetery. This is a time now. Whilst we teach, we promote, we hold hands, we hold up services through promoting them in this very platform, no, as an expo, no. Yeah, but entertaining them as well, making them look lively, where buyers will be coming to buy would also feel, alive. After all, we will not go and do the expo in a very quiet place. We would have other activities alongside. We'll be having Miss Expo alongside, where we'll be giving awards to deserving, winners. So maybe I don't know this very celebration. Like I said, as far as the 5th anniversary celebration is concerned, you understand? So that is how we have designed this very expo. Let's say and too monotonous. 1 way, 4 years till now, we are hitting this 5th year. How are we celebrating this? It's all about just coming to buy. 1 way thing. This time around, we are going to have a lot of things. Like I said, encouragement of even a sponsor buying booth for me. Seeing what I've done, the stage I was before, and then the stage I am now in my sales and services. Or one can say, the marketing say, I'm giving you a booth. I'm buying it for you for free. So, Sakunya, one of the best, but like I say, advancing in our promotion and also enhancing trade of these SMEs. So I think this 5th anniversary is one of a kind of, I would say, it will be a ASIEDU Park. And now we can say, then there was other regions, other districts. The reason now is to look at attracting an international pace, promoting higher tourism. By doing so, it was a way infused with the fashion. And it's a celebration, it's a birthday for the birth of this very expo Nankasano. And the next time we look at the other regions. But this time around, in fact, we are all happy to jump back to ASIEDU Park and celebrate it in a very grand style. So this is now the focus of your preparation. You're prepared towards the 5th anniversary.
Mr. ASIEDU, that's your inspiration every day. I was on my line up. Dates near August 31st. 31st
to 6th September.
Okay.
Our ASIEDU Park.
School Park, yeah. School Park, hona. Okay. See, hona. Now, 1 week event, Anna.
It's a 1 week event.
Okay. That was even during the Afashe, Anna.
Yeah, within the Afashe, we will still be having sales and other activities. So when the Afashe is almost about getting to an end, we have our exhibitors being patronized, their services being patronized.
Okay.
Because normally, Afashe and the Krana, a lot of tourists all around. So a target, a strategy to enhance sales and services of our exhibitors as well.
Nice.
So you understand, right after the Afashe, the rest of the days, expo through for sales and services. And then onlookers and buyers can troop in and make sales for the exhibitors to also make their sales.
Okay. Mr. Tali ANSAH ASIEDU and EXPO and Komono and chairman for Publicity Committee on Central Expo at 5. Ano on EXPO and Komo Ewofia Zena. or church enyema ebekọ so ewo expo nim ene adeadea Mr. Sedu o pese wo ready ade bi mai ana
danka bese me ma ahwefo ehu the price of the boots
okay
so there from now you be at ho na ma obefre so obese exhibit your product
for the man na me fama MC afro no mo show screen so
that will be fine. Yes, so we'll have the prices, the various booths and their prices, as well as a number the pakrono say over exhibiting the product or be free ama what between the tone nyoma
okay okay. All right. See, the information in na ebetudwa e de ama yetie for. Mr. So bet me afford dey ama me.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Oh yeah, na yem fan to sisi ana. Amanfo ehu. It's all about the Central Expo. Central Expo jumede kesi a for businesses ahodo. Businesses ketenkete ne adentemo businesses ni na. So na be ya also benya ahwefo meka ahwefo a customers and investors impo amoma babe invest business nim nti bomode say 31st of August ekwakosi 5th September sa akwanya we no o my empire kra we serious business owner o say o business na nko nanim dia and na o hwe sa akwanya we a na waye ho pa nti bomode say onye ho film na onye ebedi expo no okay nti Mr. So do I send me for messages now ubetimi e dey booki stand near there no yeah for exhibitors so mo dey o nyama ba church
yes for exhibitors
okay for exhibitors
yes also farmer market
yes okay last time we be say na very interesting very interesting it's for farmer markets for no bit 400 cedis for a booth wow, okay
so they also a specialized group more exhibiting fresh products
okay
and this normally under Ministry of Agric into a booth a price and a honor
okay
we have for the food vendors as well
food vendors
how between BD and some prices
prices what I say 600 Ghana cedis
exactly
me who small 2x2 and no your hwan
2x2
small 2x2 for near
you know and only open
okay
obu ha the nyoma oba exhibit no edoso
oh okay
and I endorse I prefer that size
okay
and you know categories of boots are o share o says any nyoma wa beton wo mu na o be prefer which one are ebebua
okay okay near medium 3x3
exactly
okay na large 6x6
exactly
oh okay okay into no so be I say utia for a booth so momo number and so I say e be amu hu ni ye mamo number na kasa 059 741 9111 Mrs. Subim 059 741 9111 so person you see merchant ID no so and me 562 766 nti no na merchant ID any number and I will bet me ascend will seek out so it didn't be for a number no
Central Regional Coordinating Council
Central
details no
okay
yeah, that would be what
nice one you know the another aspect for sponsors so mo say more sponsor jumedie no no so more price or higher for platinum diamond gold and yes and so silver and bronze
exactly
the categories we are ho dey betime no na wa yenesa e dey ama partners no sanso and I say Okay, and on the same flyer, so Yama wire. I was we invested as an investor. We invested in Central Expo 2026 5 years. Nintia also we invested, and also information I'm provided flyer and so and mama number so it was ubetimi afre o as a sponsor na o enquiry bia person mi sa asem bia na ubetimi afre na omobejo so fe sana etie ewo ha say that's all about the Central Expo at 5 years old. Yeah, happy birthday to Central Expo.
Thank you. We hope to have you guys. You say Coastal TV, one of our major media partners. If I'm not sure of it, 3 years.
Okay, me and me experience last year, exactly. That one day I can say for sure.
And you know, since I'm more about on board a biome,
yeah,
then you are one of our great media partners. You better hope you say, we try mo tentacles mo amaye se ne be a ahwefo beti ase e be hu na ni aye ba be ye this very year.
Yeah,
it's an anniversary.
Okay,
an anniversary teaching and also promoting until you cry 3 2 sir the Bible celebrate anniversary. Yeah, Bible celebrate itself as a birth.
Yeah,
to remember.
Yeah,
and then also teaching and also what promote or expand the tentacles.
Okay,
and these are the packages. The bread, your vendors, anybody who comes around. But the whoever will be our crown, so we're promoting home in a very grand style.
Yeah,
in so many forms. Yeah, so eating competition.
Oh, okay.
Where I don't know, I can't eat that much. And you know, who can maybe a production team who are very smarter. I bet me do go there.
Okay.
ASIEDU for Kanwa.
Okay.
When you're the certificate, the packager, and that competition is there for the person. So
nice.
we are hoping
nice.
What would you also like to eat?
Oh, me the mini still.
Okay. So all these are part of the entertainment. A year, the become anniversary. No, say be a cravery.
Okay. Competition and no better dubbing must start here and throughout the
week is a week-long program.
Okay.
If you have the opportunity, the next time we would look at the week-long programs.
Okay.
And then when exactly
what is
the
happening?
program is going to which day and our program will be see.
Okay.
We launched the thing and
yes.
And we are hoping say as time goes on we'll come again on set and now come and tell Ashefo what exactly
is happening.
Is in for us.
Okay.
Me and me baby during the competition, eating competition, what is in for me. So the program lineup itself is also going to come up very soon.
Okay.
But for now, you shall see here with the publicity. The best friend say, "We boy and na yakoswa abudiro no."
Okay.
For the upcoming 31st August to the 6th of September in celebration, I will celebrate.
Yes.
Alongside Afashe.
Mr. Zedu, yembe na ebre. Nti wose na yesori jumedie no eso. Nti ashafo yene Mr. Tali ANSAH ASIEDU na bo enkomo anapei. Anapei expo mienu na yabo yedi honkomo. Baako there is ongoing as I'm speaking with you. And the University of Cape Coast Uni Expo no. Same no kase ya no eguso a ekoso gidigidi ewo ho. Na Central Expo at 5. Eno no ya to ebo ase na ESSIEN sa yefo. Se na be ya August ni dru ho a. Ye be veil na fi nanim. Amo obi ehu na ho fe. Nti sa na tie no ye August 31st. Ekwa 6th of September 2026. bomode asa be kwa kopi mu ho say wo ton ade o to ade o ye investor o pe obi a business no innovative because business na ba innovations business is in kwao
exactly
anya ala business na bi na ye exposition ye pahontoma so say business are innovative nti bomode asa odi wani ebechim Adisado School Park na so ehọ na ye be Central Expo no na also wo hu ade fefa Central Region ye wazoyi sa enetie anope ha na bre no be makwan am ye de enkomo ni nyina aba na wie ye da say what near at na Coastal TV morning message medium only at na abebesi baby a Ebeneza Nyankopon odi e ababedwi ye da ya shofo ye tiefo bia wo hwe bia say Facebook say YouTube say eye wotina wo TV echi enso na wo hwe Coastal TV ye da se pa say woni at na abebesi sa empempenso ye mfa se da ni benso ma ya boafo eye NPA National Petroleum Authority and the Sell Gift Shop ye sanso Men's Hardware and Finishes, Nesto Ventures, and the Taste Kitchen Services. Wafuri and the Asadano Ebema Womo. Na ye so I sanso e the Asadano bi ama Mr. Tally ANSAH ASIEDU, Chairman for the Publicity Committee for Central Expo at 5. Yeah, that's it. Shano pay with me ebaye you sanso na yebeda your sister Erica Otu and Samuel Ayesu Ando omosu free uni expo and ebeka yensa ofia say yebeda mase na ya we share omo all the best in their endeavor na team no pay me no omo eye ejuma no so eye Ben ene eje nyame ensure mo papa sanso na bright obalate mo de ojina camera na chi na wo chinchimi mfide nyame ensure one Delphina so ebe sraye ofiase sanso na Mrs. Nyomi or the motivational message or the brave kanyame asam fedede e de share ye ne yetiefo nyina nyame ensure obia time na daje ne abotre ne oda mo e de ma Coastal TV media e de AFIBA ESSIEN nyame adom na so divine selection no ebi kan ya ochina ebe sanso e di ehia nti bomode ase wunyi we fidie no emfi Coastal TV yakra mo bye bye. Okay, so